Hi everyone, this is John. I want to talk about some words, two words in particular, that when you add the two words together, they create chaos and destruction. So, and this word begins with an O. I seem to like the words that begin with O here lately. So this word begins with an O. So we have an O. All right. Now we have an F. So you have OF or of. So you could have of, OF. Then the next letter is the same as the second letter. So then we have the word off. O, F, F, off. Now we could look at this word in a couple different ways. We can go, this is one letter, this is two letter, this is three letter. So we have three letters here, 1, 2, 3. Or you can go the other way. You can go what J, K, L, M, N, O. O is the 15th letter, correct? 15th letter. So that would be, you could reduce that as 1 plus 5. That'd become a 6. So you have a 6. And then, of course, F is what? A, B, C, D, E, F. F is the 6th letter, so you could just drop that down here. So your word off really equals 666. So, which is man, you know, six electrons, 6 neutrons, 6 protons. So when you're off, which is all of us, we're off right now. We think we're on, but we're not on, we're off. Because that's what we are, we're off. Now the next word that you add to this word is what we are too. I'm trying to decide, I guess we'll go over this way. So off plus this word creates chaos. Especially if you work in one. Well, kind of gave it away. So then the next word that you add to this word would be, this is an I. I. Now think about this word that I'm writing right now, I. So that'd be first letter, right? Now we have C. We have C, so that'd be the second letter. Right? And then we have the third letter, which is us too. You know, we're all cold as ice. Willing to sacrifice. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3 letters again. So this word off and this word ice, when you combine them, create the word office, right? So when you combine them, it creates off ice, which is kind of funny because it's off ice, but we pronounce it off is. Don't you think that's kind of funny? So anyhow, the off part is 666. The ice part is, well, we know what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I is the 9th letter. So we'll come down here. We'll add the 9. So I is the 9th letter. Well, C is the 3rd letter. And then we have E. Is the 5th letter. What happens when you say this? Let's see. O, F, F, I, C, E. I-C-E. That's interesting. I-C-E. So anyhow, That would be the 9th letter, the 3rd letter, the 5th letter. This would be what? 6 plus 6 plus 6 would be 18. Right? Or you go the other way, which would be 6 times 6 times 6 would be 216. So 216. Let's see, we could, what was I doing here? Okay, I added them. So if we add these, let's see, that'd be what? That'd be 17 over this way, right? Because that'd be what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 17. Yep, 17. So, and if we times it, that's right, I times it. Oh, I'm going to need a calculator for this one because I know what the other one was. Let's see. I'll get my calculator here. Hang on. Oh, man, that means I got... All right, let's just do it in my head because... All right, 9 times 3 is... Let's see. 9 9 27, right? Yeah, 27. 27. 27 times 5 would be what? That's... let's see, is that 40? 40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, is it 35? No, wait a minute. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, is it 35? Oh, yes, it is 35. Duh. 35. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus the 3, that'd be 135. 135. So anyhow, that'd be 135 down here. 135. 135. Let's see. 2 plus 1 would be what? That would be 3 plus 6. That'd equal down to a 9. You know 9's judgment. So then we have what? This would be 5 plus 3 would be 8. That's 9. That's a double 9. When you break it all down and reduce it all down, it's a double 9. 9 is judgment. It's pretty interesting how words create things. So anyhow, I really think the word ice is pretty interesting when you say I, C, E, and E could be 5. I see 5. That's interesting. Or 935. And we broke these numbers down. So anyhow, I want to show you what happens when you combine off and ice. This is what happens when you combine off and ice. Hopefully we can do this without losing my phone. Because we're going to look at what happens when you combine off and ice. This is what happens to human beings when they're put in a off ice. You know, an off is, you know, an off is the 666 with the 398. I'm going to have to check out what the 398 is. We'll look at that then. That's interesting. I have no idea. So anyhow, let's look at this. This ought to be interesting. I don't know if I make it bigger, if it'll turn sideways or just... Oh, yep, turn sideways. So we'll just turn this sideways. Humans are not meant to be working in an office. See what happens? When you work in an off ice... That's what happens when you work at... Oh, what's this one? Here's another one. Let's see what happens with this guy. See all these clones in the off ice? Aw, man, my phone died. Alright. I hate this old phone. It doesn't work. But anyhow, you get the gist, you know? What happens when you're working in off ice and off is... my phone died, so I can't look up these numbers right now. So maybe I'll do a part 2 once my phone gets fixed here. Because I'm curious as what 935 means. Oh, let's see if my phone jumps back on here. I'm trying to get it back on. We know what 216 is. That's 216th day of the year is August 4th. 135. That's interesting. 135 plus that would be what? That'd be 11. 4, 5, 3, 5, 1. 3, 5, 1. I wonder what 3, 5, 1 is. I gotta look that up too. 3, 5, 1. It's interesting how I get led to shit. Alright, let's look that up. See if my phone here quick. I want to see what let's see what that number means. Let's see what all these numbers mean. Oh, see this stupid phone. Am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Alright, let's go to Strong's, because everybody thinks 666 is evil, which it is. I mean, 666 is flesh. It's 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. I did a video about, carbon and its atomic numbers and all that. So Strong's. We'll look at Strong's 666. See what that says in the Greek and the Hebrew. If my phone, let's see, Hebrew, a covering, a bandage. That's funny. And let's see, a being. But you can't just go with that, because a lot of people will. They'll just go, oh, but you really do got to look deeper into these words and the meanings and the scriptures. And my phone's acting up, so we probably won't get to see the, oh, no, wait a minute. We'll see the Hebrew here, which is appear. Let's see, we pronounce it F-R, F-R. A covering, bandage. From an unused word, a covering, bandage. Bandage, 2 times. See, my phone died, so... I hate trying to make a video showing things. So anyhow, I guess I'll actually make a part 2, and I'll just go look up all these numbers on my regular phone and make a part 2. All right, everyone. Don't work in an office.